Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm breaking down 30 amazing and completely free things that you can do with Google AI tools like Gemini, Notebook LM, AI Studio, AI Mode, and even Opal. So first of all, let's start with Gemini. You can use it to summarize the long documents, translate the text instantly, generate code, you can write emails, brainstorm the ideas, and even explain math step by step. Furthermore, you can create lesson plans, you can draft stories, or even practice interview questions, all for free. Next, you can use Notebook LM. It can actually turn your PDFs into notes, then into interactive study guide, answer the questions directly from your files, create quick summaries, highlight the key points, and even quiz you on the material. It is like having a smart tutor that is built into your documents. Then we have the AI Studio, where the developers can actually test the prompts, generate simple responses, create structured data tests, build AI chatbots, and experiment with different models before paying for anything else. You are also going to get the AI mode, which you are going to get in Android, which is the another gem. It can rewrite your text messages, summarize the notifications, give you quick replies, edit your photos, or even explain settings in simple languages. All of these is powered by one device AI. And finally, there is Opal, Google's behind the scenes research tool. It lets you explore the experimental AI features, test early models, and create synthetic data and try tools before they roll out publicly. So you can put them together and you are going to get 30 free ways Google AI can boost your productivity, creativity, and learning without spending a single dollar. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.